Hello student, welcome to the science class. Here today we are going to discuss some useful units in SI system of the chapter motion and time. Our first one is the SI unit of mass is kilogram, time has SI unit second, force Newton, distance meter, weight Newton, speed meter per second. Okay student, now here I have written an example or a topic, that is speedometer. Speedometer is a device which is used almost in all vehicle to determine the speed of the vehicle in kilometer per hour. Okay student, what is a speedometer? With the help of speedometer we calculate the speed of any vehicle in kilometer per hour. Now here is another odometer which is also used in vehicle to determine the distance covered by the vehicle in kilometer per hour. So student, here speedometer can measure the speed of any vehicle in kilometer per hour, and odometer can measure distance covered by vehicle in kilometer. So student, now we are going to discuss our last topic of the chapter motion and force here, that is distance time graph. So student, you can show distance and time with the help of bar graph. Bar graph contain a rectangular bar. Okay student, it is x axis and it is y axis. At the x axis we plotted here time in hour, and at y axis plotted distance in kilometer. So student, in 1 hour any vehicle is moving 20 kilometer distance. So here y axis show the distance, y axis shows the distance covered by the vehicle, and x axis shows time taken by the vehicle. Here another, in next 2 hours any vehicle cover distance of 40 kilometer, and here in 3 hours any vehicle covered distance of 50 kilometer. So student, we can plot time at x axis and distance at y axis. Okay, this is known as bar graph. Here rectangular shape is formed in bar graph. Now student, distance and time can be plotted with the help of line graph. Here it is x axis and it is y axis. I have plotted here time at x axis and distance at y axis. It is in hour and it is in kilometer. So student, in first hour any vehicle covered 1 kilometer distance. So this point denotes 1 kilometer distance covered in 1 hour, and this one will denote 2 kilometer distance will covered in 2 hours, and similarly and so on. We can plot here, student. When we connect these dots, we find a straight line. So student, it is an example of uniform motion. It is an example of uniform motion. Student, we can also use pie chart for plotting graph. Here I have taken an example of population of a village, and 25% of the villagers are old and 25% are children's and 50% are young. So this part of the circle denote old villagers, and this part of the circle denotes 25% of the total population or children's, and here 50% of the population are young in any specific village. So student, you can also plot pie chart. This is known as pie chart, and here we have discussed two other. This one is called as bar graph, and this one is called as line graph. With the help of line graph, you can also calculate the speed of any vehicle. Here distance is given and here time is given. With the help of distance and time, we can calculate the speed of any vehicle.